Hello there and welcome to another reading video. So today we are going to look at two letters, T and H. Now T and H make two different sounds. The first sound is th. The second sound is th. So let's look at the first sound, the. Here we go. Let's look at some new words. So remember, listen and repeat. Here we go. The, a, t, that. Look at that. What's that? What's that over there? Okay, next word. The, I, s. This. This. What's this? It's a red box. All right, next word. The, e. Them. Them. Look at them. Let's talk to them. I want to speak to them. Let's move on. All right, so same letters, T and H, but this time the sound is So stick your tongue out, touch your top teeth. This is. Okay, here we go. Oh. Moth. It's a moth. Wow, that's a big moth. I don't like moths. Next word. It. K. Think. Think. Let's have a think. What are you thinking about? I think it's time for another word. S. L. O. F. Sloth. Sloth. It's a sloth. It's very slow. Do you like sloths? Alright, so that's the end of our video today. Good job, well done. So if you enjoyed this, please give me a like. If you think your friends would find this useful, please share it. And if you have a comment, please write a comment down below. Here are some more videos that you might be interested in looking at if you want to keep studying. And let's study English again soon. Goodbye.